Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and replacing the 7-way trailer wiring socket in a 2009 Chevy Suburban. If you need parts for your car or truck, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We have a disconnected electrical connector. A little tab right here. You're going to use your finger and just push it down. Grab the wires and just pull. See? There's the connector. Notice there's no green corrosion or anything on the terminals, which is good. There's a little lock right here. You're going to take a screwdriver or whatever you can put in there. Just push it in. Then we're going to twist it to the left. And from the back side, I'm going to push it forward a little bit. It comes right out. This is our old trailer connector. This is our new trailer connector from 1aauto.com. As you can see, they have the same door. Flips up. This old one is nasty and disgusting. See all the dirt from the weather. Our new one's nice and clean. It's going to make better contacts than the old one. All the wiring connectors are the same. The lock tabs are the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. To install the connector, we're going to hold it sideways like this. You're going to push it in and then you're going to twist it. You can grab it from the inside to give you a little help. And then once that lock tab is in, you know it's good. We'll reinstall the electrical connector. It is a good idea to use a little bit of dielectric grease on these terminals before you put it back in. Not too much, just a little bit. And I'm going to push it in and lock it down. Grab it, make sure it's tight.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.